Hey, what is up, guys? It is Harrison Marin, the Millennial Entrepreneur. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you guys about affiliate marketing and how to do it with little to no money at all. So I said little and no money. That is two different options. I'm going to cover both. But first, we need to discover or talk about what is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is telling people about products and services that you really enjoy. That's it. That's the core of it. It's telling somebody to say, hey, go buy whatever I'm talking about, or if you're interested, go check it out in the links down below. And if they buy it, you, as the referrer, get paid on this. Now, the nice part about this is you don't have to have products, you don't have to have services, you just have to tell people about products and services, and hopefully you've used them enough to educate people so they go and buy it or they're interested in it. Then they'll go down in the links down below, or, I said paid option, your website. And if they buy, you get paid, and every single time somebody buys, you get paid over and over and over again. For Amazon, it's about a 24-hour gap. For many other companies, it is a variety of different time lengths. Say they click the link down below today, you will get paid if they buy anything within the next 24 hours on Amazon. Other companies, it could be up to 365 days. Pretty wild. So how does this work? How does it incorporate to you? And how do you actually do it for free? Well, now that we've covered the basics of affiliate marketing, right? You're just referring somebody over. The second thing is the free option. How do you do it? How could you possibly do it for free? Well, chances are pretty good. You do something every day. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be my maintenance guy who's just the best guy in the world. It could be maybe you're a stay-at-home mom. Maybe you work in technology. You could take out your camera. If you don't have a nice camera, such as the one I'm currently using, you could use your phone. iPhones are great. New Androids are great. But any kind of camera. Maybe you ask a friend or family member, or if you're in college, you go ask the campus, hey, can I borrow a camera for the semester? Chances are pretty good you're going to be able to get a camera if you get a little creative in there. Now, once you get that camera, you could start making YouTube videos. It's quite honestly not that hard. It is a little bit unnerving to talk to people on a camera because I have to imagine that my camera is a person. But other than that, it's not that difficult. And now I can tell you guys about what is affiliate marketing, maybe Kajabi. It could be the equipment I use, such as my Sony a6400. It could be anything that I want to tell you about that would potentially make me money. Now, not everything I'm going to tell people about is actually going to make me money. And quite honestly, there's a lot of products and services that I use that don't have affiliate marketing or affiliate payouts, which is fine. But if you want to make money, go start looking for those products and services that you could make money on. Amazon's just a great place to start, but there are so many other sources out there. There is Zoic, which is an ads platform if you happen to have a YouTube video, a website. There's Webull, there's Robinhood. There are so many different programs. I mean, the list is almost endless, and companies are doing it all the time because who wouldn't want to make more money? There's probably local mom and pop stores in your town that would be willing to give you money if you bring in any business. It's that simple. You say, hey, you know what? I have a small following. I would love to refer you out. And if somebody buys that mentions my name, I'd love to get paid on it. This is huge. This makes people money, and it's a win-win. The company makes money because they didn't have to go find a customer, and you make money because you didn't have to actually hold any product, but you told somebody about a great product or service. So I use this in context with my maintenance guy. We had a great conversation. He's like, I don't understand how to do it. Like, how do you actually make money on it? How much money can you really make? Right? I'm like, you use products and services all day, every day, from drain cleaners to, could be weed whackers. It could be anything that they're going to use to maintenance an apartment, right? They're going to use cleaning. I don't know why I said maintenance, but perform maintenance on an apartment. It could be dusters. It could be Windex. It could be bleach. It could be bug killers. Whatever it might be, he's using these all day, every day. And the cool part is he could hold up the product and talk about this product on YouTube with his existing cell phone. There's no additional cost, which is why it's free, and mention it on YouTube. Then you take a nice picture. You use a free program like Canva. You Photoshop yourself or you Canva yourself, and you make a nice little thumbnail, little description, some tags, and you post on YouTube. And you keep doing this over and over and over again. And over time, if you perform or make good content, you are going to get a larger and larger following who's interested in what you have to say, because you probably have better insights on other people that do something similar. Maybe it's being a mom, maintenance person. It could be in tech. It could be warehouse person. There's a million different ways that you can show yourself off and show products and services that you might use that you can make money on. Then he goes out, makes all these videos, finds all these links and descriptions, or finds all these links and puts them down in the description, and then people go out and say, oh, this is the best drain cleaner, because he's getting to use all the different drain cleaners because of the job that he's already doing. And when he refers that out, somebody goes, buys it on Amazon or another retailer, maybe it's Newegg, and says, hey, Here's your money. Here's your paycheck every single month. Thanks. And the more people you refer, the more money you make. Now, the section option, which I'm a huge fan of, is your website. Now, websites are pretty cheap for the most part. You can get a website for literally as cheap as $3 up to $30, $40, $50 a month, depending on what platform you go with. I just made a whole video on all the different platforms, how difficult they are to use, but that is a great option for you to spend anywhere between $2 to really about 15 or 20 bucks a month to have a digital online presence. Now, the nice part about websites is you can do SEO, and if you really hate being in front of a camera, this is a great alternative for you to get out and away from people as far as your face and sitting in front of a camera and being really nervous about posting yourself. When I first posted my first YouTube video, I was shaking. I couldn't control myself. And I posted it, nobody watched it. But I was freaking out the moment I shared it. So for me, blogging worked out really, really good for a little while, and then I got more and more comfortable on video. So you could write blogs and create content and show pictures and little tutorials on how to do what you do. So if it's a maintenance person cleaning out a drain, hey, these are the chemicals I like to use. This is why I like to use them. This is the first step in the process to help the chemicals work the best way possible. And break down and go through an entire tutorial of what you do, how you do it, and why you like these products. And the cool part is you can link it out in there to Amazon, just like you would put the links down in the description on a YouTube video, but you would link it inside of that piece of content. So if it's a blog, or maybe it's just a little blurb, or maybe it's a product review, and these are all ways that people can then find you, click on your links, and then go buy it. Now, keep in mind, not everybody that clicks on your links is going to buy it. I see more clicks on my links on Amazon than anything else, but less buyers, and that's totally fine. Somebody might buy my products months from now, but they might put it in their checkout cart. I'm notorious for putting something in my cart and leaving it there for a couple weeks because I'm not ready to buy it yet. I don't have that need yet, but I know it is something that I do want down the road. So this is something you have to take into consideration, but there are products, there's services, there's online courses that you can get money for referring people to. So as I go through and take other people's courses and I really enjoy them, I'm going to give a review on YouTube or my blog, and I'm going to mention and say, hey, by the way, I found this really, really helpful. If you're interested in this, or you want to solve this problem, this might be something you want to actually consider, and I've already been through it. I know it's a good product. Now, here's where affiliate marketing gets a little gray area, and I don't particularly love a lot of what some of these influencers or affiliate marketers are doing. And what they're doing is they're never using these products. And I think that's a huge mistake, because what you could do is you could tarnish your brand and ruin your reputation by trying to represent or make money on something that you actually don't believe in. And this is where I think it gets a little gray / not so good. So whatever you're promoting or whatever you're mentioning, make sure it's a good product. I see so many people that just create blogs or create YouTube videos that talk about something that they've literally never used before, and you could tell based on the person that's doing it, hey, this person has no experience doing this, or this person doesn't actually believe in it. You're going to waste your time, you're going to waste your viewers' time, you're going to lose a ton of rankings on your YouTube videos and your channels. You're going to lose rankings on Google because Google doesn't want to promote bad content. It's not hard for people to figure out if you actually know what you're talking about. So keep these things in mind when you're actually making a affiliate channel, whether it's a YouTube channel, maybe it's a blog, but these are the two main ways that you could get tons of traction and millions of potential clicks to products and services that will make you money. You're educating people, you're showing people the products and services that you use, such as the products and services I use in my entire YouTube channel. That is always down in the links down below for you to go get. Whether or not you like it, so be it. But this is how a lot of people make extra money, that passive income term, right? We do have to make content, but the nice part is content works for you for years and years and years to come. And maybe one video makes me $3. If I make 100 videos, that's $300. Now, if that video makes me, or those 100 videos make me $3 every single year, that's an extra $300 every single year for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So I know it doesn't sound like a lot of time or better yet money, but over time, the more content you create, the more following you build, you will make significant amount of money. It's kind of ridiculous how much money you can make, because that's how these big influencers are making money. They have a shirt, they have maybe it's a wallet, or maybe it's a phone case. I'm just trying to think of Raycon earbuds, right? That's the most basic example of affiliate marketing, how it works. So if you guys have any other questions, please leave a question down below in the comments. I would love to hear about it. Maybe I didn't cover something, or maybe you have another question that follows up, and I'd love to make another YouTube video about it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, little notification bell. I'll see you guys later.